Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot verify identity. This Apple ID is not active. So guys, when you want to log in your Apple ID in your iPhone or have already logged in and want to do any activity on your Apple ID and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, this problem is occur when you have not connected with any internet connection or your internet connection is too weak. So guys, after connecting internet, then guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your Apple ID here, and guys you need to click on sign in and security. And guys, after this simply you need to click on change password, and guys you need to change your password of your Apple ID. And guys, after this simply you need to click on two-factor authentication, and guys you need to turn on two-factor authentication in your phone. And guys you need to verify your phone number as well. And guys, after this you need to turn on this automatic verification simply. And guys, after doing these settings, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.